This 10-day itinerary for Italy balances sightseeing with relaxation, taking you from the serene beauty of Lake Como to the historic grandeur of Venice and Rome to the breathtaking scenery of Amalfi Coast. Stick to the end and you will not need to spend hours planning your grand trip to Italy. Day 1. Arrive at Milan. Morning. Arrive in Milan Malpensa Airport and transfer to Lake Como, which is a 1-hour train ride from Milan Central train station. Afternoon. Explore the town of Como. Stroll along the lakeside promenade, visit Como Cathedral, and take a funicular ride to Brunate for those stunning views. Evening, relax and enjoy a lakeside dinner. Day 2. Explore the golden triangle of Lake Como. Morning, take a ferry to Verona. Or if you are like me, you can drive a rental car from Milan or Como and put it on the ferry and reach Verona. Explore Villa Monastero's beautiful gardens and the charming village streets. Afternoon, take a ferry to Bellagio, which is correctly called the Pearl of Lake Como. Wander through its picturesque streets, visit the gardens of Villa Melzi, and have a leisurely coffee with lake views. Evening, witness a brilliant sunset near the pier, followed by a sumptuous dinner at a lakeside restaurant. Overnight at Bellagio. Day 3. Travel to Venice. Morning, after breakfast, take a train from Como to Venice. Afternoon, check into your Venice accommodation and explore nearby areas and wander through the winding streets and do some shopping. Visit the Doge's Palace and its Bridge of Sighs. Evening, enjoy a gondola ride at sunset and have dinner at a Venetian restaurant near St. Mark's Square. Day 4. Venice sightseeing. Morning, walk to the Accademia Bridge for a jaw-dropping sunrise over the Grand Canal. Then take a guided boat trip to the islands of Murano and Burano. Murano is famous for glass blowing and Burano is known for its colorful houses and lace making. Burano gives you brilliant photo opportunities. Afternoon, visit St. Mark's Basilica and climb the Campanile for panoramic views of Venice. Evening, dine at a local osteria and explore the Rialto Bridge and Rialto Market. Venice will give you memories which will last for a lifetime. Day 5. Transfer to Rome. Morning, travel to Rome by high-speed train which takes approximately 4 hours. Afternoon, start with a visit to Piazza Navona, admire the Fountain of the Four Rivers, then head to the Pantheon and finish at the Trevi Fountain where you can toss a coin for luck. Evening, have dinner in the vibrant Trastevere neighborhood, known for its authentic Roman cuisine. Day 6. Ancient Rome and Vatican City. Morning, begin with a visit to the Colosseum, then explore the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Afternoon, head to Vatican City to visit St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums, including the Sistine Chapel. Evening, enjoy dinner at a rooftop restaurant near the Spanish Steps or in the Campo de Fiori area. Day 7. Transfer to Naples. Morning, take a high-speed train to Naples from Rome, which takes about an hour. From Naples, take a car or bus to Pompeii. Afternoon, explore Pompeii Archaeological Center. It feels like stepping back in time to 79 AD, when the city was frozen in ash by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Highlights include the Forum, where daily life once thrived, and the haunting plaster casts of the victims. Evening, transfer to Sorrento and relax by the beach and promenade. The view of Sorrento Bay with Mount Vesuvius at a distance is something not to be missed. Day 8. Explore the entire Amalfi Coast. Morning, take a bus or drive up to the town of Amalfi. Start by exploring the historic center. Visit the Amalfi Cathedral, admire its Arab Norman architecture, and stroll through the piazza. While you are here, also visit the nearby village of Atrani. Afternoon, take a bus or drive to Maiori. Enjoy Maiori's long sandy beach, which is by far the best beach of Amalfi Coast. Don't forget to have a swim in the cool turquoise waters here. Also take a stroll along the scenic promenade. Head up to Ravello. Visit the beautiful Villa Ruffolo and Villa Simbrone for stunning gardens and panoramic views of the coast. Evening, return to Amalfi for dinner, sampling local seafood at a seaside restaurant. Day 9, Capri day trip. Morning, take a ferry from wherever you are based in Amalfi Coast to Capri. After arriving at Capri, head straight towards the pier and start your boat tour around the island of Capri. On the way, visit the famous Blue Grotto for an experience of a lifetime. Afternoon, after your boat tour, catch the bus to Anacapri. You can have lunch in Anacapri. Try Ristorante La Giara for some authentic Italian cuisine. Take the chairlift to Mount Solaro, which departs from Piazza Vittoria. The ride up takes 12 minutes. The view from the top of Mount Solaro is absolutely jaw-dropping. Next, take the bus back to Capri. Explore the gardens and villas of Capri. You can catch a ferry back to the mainland whenever you are ready. The funicular down leaves every 15 minutes, and experience going down to port should not be missed. Evening, after a full day Capri trip, you just need to chill out by the beach or take a cool dip. Day 10, morning, explore Positano. Positano is the crown jewel of Amalfi Coast. Exploring Positano feels like discovering a postcard come to life. With its colorful cliffside houses cascading toward the sea, narrow streets filled with boutiques, and the iconic Spiaggia Gran Beach, the town offers charm at every turn. Enjoy stunning coastal views, stroll through vibrant alleys, and savor fresh seafood by the sea. Afternoon, return to hotel and transfer to Naples Airport. Catch a flight back home with memories to cherish for a lifetime. If this itinerary is likely to help you plan your Italy trip, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. And also consider subscribing to my channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.